In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert charts from Google Sheets in Google Slides. If you're building a presentation and want your data to look clean, consistent, and easy to update, pulling charts directly from Google Sheets is the best way to do it. This keeps your visuals tied to your source data, so when numbers change, your slides can stay current with minimal effort. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. This can be an existing deck you're refining or a new presentation you've just created. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account that has access to the spreadsheet with your charts, so everything shows up when you need it. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and choose Insert. Then hover over Chart and select from Sheets. This tells Slides you want to bring in a chart that already exists in one of your spreadsheets, rather than building a new one from scratch inside Slides. You'll now see a list of your Google Sheets files. Pick the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want. If you have a lot of files, use the search bar or sort by recent to find it faster. It helps to know the file name or where it's stored in your drive. Keep in mind, the chart needs to be created in the spreadsheet first. Slides will only import charts that already exist in the file. After choosing the spreadsheet, you'll be shown the charts available within it. Select the chart you want to use. If there are multiple tabs or multiple charts, take a second to confirm you're choosing the right one by checking titles and data ranges. If the labels, colors, or axis titles need changes, it's best to adjust those in Google Sheets before importing, so the chart looks exactly the way you want when it arrives in Slides. Finally, click Import. The chart will drop into your slide. By default, the imported chart remains linked to the spreadsheet, which is great for keeping your presentation up to date. When your data changes in Sheets, you'll be able to update the chart in Slides with a simple refresh. You can resize and reposition the chart just like any other object, and if you're presenting to a team, make sure they have at least view access to the source file so everything loads correctly. That's it. Open your presentation, go to Insert Chart from Sheets, choose your spreadsheet, pick the chart, and click Import. With this quick workflow, your slides stay polished, accurate, and easy to maintain.